Tailgating following too closely behind another vehicle is one of the leading causes of rear-end collisions. Do you have enough time and distance to stop safely? At OSHA Education School, our driving safety tailgating course helps you understand why tailgating is dangerous, how to avoid it, and what to do if someone is tailgating you. Stopping distance isn't just about hitting the brakes, it's made up of perception time, reaction time, and braking distance. Limited visibility, poor traction, and heavy vehicle loads make stopping harder. If you're too close, you won't have time to react, leading to rear-end collisions, road rage, and even traffic jams. Tailgating is dangerous and can lead to accidents. To avoid tailgating, maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. If someone is tailgating you, stay calm and don't speed up. Instead, safely change lanes or pull over to let them pass. Remember, safety is more important than speed. To avoid being a tailgater, stay alert and focused. Follow these key steps. Avoid distractions. Keep your attention on the road. Maintain a safe following distance. Increase it in bad weather. Leave extra space when stopped in traffic. A good rule of thumb is 3 to 4 seconds for small vehicles and 5 to 6 seconds for large vehicles. Double your following distance in rain or fog. If someone is tailgating you, stay calm. Check your mirrors frequently, brake smoothly, don't slam the brakes, and move over safely. Let the tailgater pass. Never try to brake check or speed up to lose a tailgater, it could make things worse. Taking this course will equip you with essential skills for safe driving. You'll learn how to handle various driving challenges, ensuring your safety and that of others on the road. So sign up today and take the first step towards becoming a more confident and responsible driver. By completing this course, you'll gain the knowledge to reduce your risk of rear-end collisions, avoid aggressive drivers, and improve road safety for yourself and others. Plus, you'll receive a certificate of completion, proving your commitment to safe driving. Don't take chances on the road. Click the link in the description to enroll now and complete the driving safety tailgating course today.